Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Ryoko Pro review. So if you've been looking into getting a portable interconnection for traveling, working remotely, or just staying connected on the go, well, let's talk about the Ryoko Pro portable pocket Wi-Fi hotspot router. Now, let's break down exactly what this little gadget does and what it features or what it offers, which is according to the website. Now, what is the Ryoko Pro here? Now, the Pro here is a compact pocket-sized 4G LTE wireless hotspot router. Now, its main job is to take a cellular data signal and convert it to a private, secure, and encrypted local Wi-Fi network. Instead of having to hunt down public Wi-Fi at a cafe airport, you can carry this device in your pocket to create your own personal internet bubble whenever you have cellular coverage. Now, what does it actually offer? Now, according to the official specifications website details here, the Ryoko Pro comes backed with several key features. So first is they have multi-device connectivity, so you can connect up to 10 devices simultaneously. So this means you can have your phone, laptop, tablet, and even your friend's device all hooked up to the internet at the same time. And they'll also provide, and according to them, high-speed 4G LTE. Now, under optimal network conditions. Now, the router supports data transfer speeds up to 150 Mbps. Now, also, they have global SIM capabilities. Now, the device comes pre-packaged with pre-installed via OTA SIM card. So it is designed to automatically hook into regional cellular towers across over 170 countries, meaning you don't have to constantly swap out physical SIM cards when crossing borders. Now they also have what we call built-in security tools. So the on-device software features an integrated data server, automatically ad blocking capabilities, and built-in malware phishing protection to keep your browsing secure. And for battery and charging here, it is equipped with a rechargeable battery that offers up to 6 to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge and juices up via standard USB-C fast charging. And also, they do have a non-screen dashboard as well. So the front of the device features a small integrated display screen that tells you your current cellular signal strength, remaining data plan, battery level, and how many devices are actively connected. Now, currently, if you're looking for the pricing for it, well, a single device purchase here is around $89. Now, a single Ryoko Pro here retails as a one-time purchase for. Now, the data plans here, the system requires the data subscriptions to work, so you can opt for a standard monthly prepaid data package or choose their popular 6-month unlimited pro plan. Now, meaning which reduces the data subscription down to around $19.99 a month, so billed upfront at like $119.94, and often includes hardware for free, and all hardware purchases come with 30-day money back guarantee. Now, how do you start using it? How do you initially use it? Well, the manufacturer has designed the Ryoko Pro here to be highly plug and play. So meaning you don't need technical background to get online. The general process to use this device actually just involves you powering it on, getting a signal here, and viewing the credentials. So in this case, you look directly at the Ryoko Pro screen to locate your unique Wi-Fi network, a name, SSID, and password here, or the instant connect QR code. And from that on, you can start connecting your devices here and start managing your settings here. And the physical side menu buttons on the router, you can toggle through the screen to monitor your remaining data balance or switch on the built-in ad blocking and security protections. And that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.